Friends, I hope you are all enjoying designing Photoshop. I'm going to give you a demo on designing flex banner. Flex banner designing is very simple, and when you go to flex banner designing shops, they will design it with a preset model that is available. Designing flex is very simple. The size varies from design to design. Now I am going to give you a simple design. Please, you shall be creative. I am just giving you a model. You shall be more creative than what I do. Now I am going to create a flexible banner of 6 into 3, 6 inches and 3 inches. Yeah. Now change it 6 and the height is 3. And here you have to be very cautious when you design for flex banners. It should be up to 600, 400 to 600. Don't forget that. And the color mode supposed to be CMYK. Is that clear? CMYK. I'm choosing now RGB, but when you give real printing, it should be CMYK. Don't forget. Now the background, there are in flex banners printing. It varies from, they call it as 1 pass, 2 pass, 3 pass, and so on. When you go more passes, the quality is good. But what we do in our local flex shops, they go up to 3 passes, not more than that. So it is better that not thicker files, light colors. It's always better. Now I'm making use of this gradient tool to give the colors. I have preset color already. Now I am taking this color, rose color that I have chosen. You please choose according to your taste and the color that you like very much. And it is being loaded. Gradient tool is being loaded. Now the color has been fixed. Now I am going to give you another sample of giving borders. Now choose this, choose the entire banner. Now go to select, please be cautious, select, modify border. You give border maybe up to 50 or 60 or 100, whatever it may be. So more size that you give, it is better, because it looks smaller, and the color that is given for border is similar to the color that is inside. Okay, now I have chosen border. Now I'm going to fill the border with fill color. I can make use of fill color. Select this and do like this. If you are unable, then choose brush tool, just go around, the border is filled. Yeah, see, the border is filled. Yeah, now the border is filled. Now I'm going to type here Department of Computer Science. My system is bit low because of the RAM, less capacity of the RAM. Now I'm typing. I'm making it lesser. Okay. Maybe the font that I have chosen Department of Computer Science. You extend it and type, make one more layer and change the font, go to some other font. Maybe I am making use of this, Bookman Antiqua. Saint Joseph's college autonomous, make it little lesser, make it bolder also. For making it bolder, unlike word, it should be control shift bold. Anything that we do, it should be control shift bold. I am extending Department of Computer Science. Now it is ready. Now the and when you type the college name and the name of the place, it should be little lesser than the college name. Okay, now the address bar is ready. Now if you want to put logo, you can place it somewhere side. Now maybe department program, maybe inauguration of Computer Science Association, or endowment lecture, or some technical symposiums. Welcomes you for technical symposium. For example, I am just placing welcomes you all. Welcome. I am just placing welcomes you all for technical symposium. Maybe digital fest or something, technical symposium. Technical symposium. Technical or national seminar. National seminar on IoT. Okay. I'm just changing the font. It says some decent font, and always a thicker font, so that flex banners, a thicker font will be always better. Now it is ready. I am increasing the height of the letter. Now the banner is ready. Now I am going to change the color. Go to layer style. It is very simple, as you said. Layer, gradient. I am using gradient color. You please, I am using the available preset. You go with the color that you like very much. I am just choosing the color that is already available. See this color, blue. I am choosing thick blue and a light blue. Sorry, I am deleting this, making a light blue. Is that okay? Yeah. Now with a stroke also. If you give a stroke, it is better. Or a drop shadow. Always a thicker color will be better, because since this color doesn't suit, I am just going for color overlay. I am choosing a dark color. Okay, always blue is better for flex banners. National seminar, maybe color that is available. I am just giving a color that is already available. Please, you have your own color. Maybe a blue color. Now the banner is ready. If you want to have some maybe some flowers or something like that, you can give it here. The banner is ready. Friends, make sure when you design flex, the resolution supposed to be 600 up to 600, 400 to up to 600, and the size supposed to be proper. It should always be in inches. Calculate feet in inches. If you are designing a flex for 6 feet, you just fix as 6 inch. if you are designing a flex banner for 10 feet, you give 10 inches. That is the calculation. So inch, calculate inch as feet for the flex banners. I suppose you are very clear with the flex banner ideology. You come out with your own creativity, my dear friends. Now the banner is ready. Now I'm going to give you a demo on designing t-shirts. Now, t-shirt designing is a fancy kind of designing using Photoshop, and you will all love very much. And I'm increasing the size. How do I increase the size? Go to image size, increase the size of the height alone. That's all. Now go to internet, go take some t-shirts. Model t-shirts that are available. You can choose some model t-shirts. And design whatever that you want. Now what I'm going to give you, I'm going to design it on a t-shirt, but you don't do that. Simply design, and the design can be printed on t-shirts. Now to show you a model, I'm designing on t-shirts, but you don't follow. When you want to design to be printed on the t-shirt, design simply that will be printed on t-shirts. See, I'm just giving a t-shirt. There are a variety of models given. Look at here. There are, see the designs. You can have idea about your designs. Now I want to have a simple t-shirt, maybe a plain t-shirt, so that I can design on it. So now, my dear friends, I'm going to make design on a t-shirt, a plain t-shirt. Simply a t-shirt, just give t-shirt. I'm choosing this. Yeah. I'm choosing this, copy, paste it here. Take the t-shirt alone. By choosing magic wand tool, I've selected only the t-shirt. Take it as a 3 color. I'm just having a duplicate layer and one more, and change all these things. I shall have this as a black, and this one we go to image, go to variations, image, adjustments and variations. So here you can change the color of the t-shirt, maybe more red I'm choosing. Yeah, this one I have changed. Now go again, image, adjustments and variations. I would like to have green. Yeah, now little green. You want more green, you can go variations. The green color has come. Now my dear friends, just with the brush tool, I'm just going to make colors. See, I'm sorry. See, it can be a model. That's all. And you have some other color, maybe yellow or something like that. A model, a t-shirt model. This is a model. And now look at here. I'm just choosing one more. How do I made all 3 bars? This is with the help of duplicate layer, just by pressing Alt. Okay. Now reduce the size. Reduce the size of the second one also. and reduce a bit. Yeah, okay, a simple model. Now we are going for the third one. Maybe with the symbol of college, our college symbol can be brought in. We'll go to I'm taking this logo, copy, bring it to the t-shirt. Yeah, it's here. Just remove the white part, take it here, maybe you can reduce it bit. Yeah, I put it. Now it is ready. Now Josephite, maybe some letters. Josephite. Choose some other color which is better. Yeah, put it, rotate it. See, you can, this way you can bring about the model, or you just go with little more model that you want to have. Maybe go to custom shape. Look at here, there are models available. If you want to go for if you want to go with any designs, you can choose one of these. Maybe to have this one. Maybe the color can be changed. To maybe lighter color, or even light green will do. Okay friends, it is a simple example that I have given you. You can be creative and have your own better designs. If this may not be that good, I've given you a model, that's all. I've given you a model, that's all. You can bring your own model with your own designs. Okay, so all the very best, my dear friends. Have a fantastic t-shirt design for your department or for anything. You can creatively come out with some beautiful designs of a shirt or t-shirt, or maybe a sari or anything maybe. So textile industry also, they want Photoshop designers to design this kind of designs with the help of designing tools available, and Photoshop is also one of the tools. So wish you all the best. Have a good designing. Enjoy your designing with Photoshop. Thank you.